Our 9 Cares Colorado Shares Food Drive is underway, and with your help, we've already raised more than $220,000.
Thank you so much for that. That money goes towards feeding Coloradans in our community at local food banks, like Food Bank of the Rockies. 9 News reporter Rachel Krause is along now. And Rachel, it's also about making healthier foods accessible.
Yeah, according to the CDC, adults experiencing food insecurity are 2 to 3 times more likely to have type 2 diabetes. They're also more likely to have cardiovascular disease, and they're more likely to die from that. That's why Food Bank of the Rockies established a program to help bring healthy foods to those who need them most.
Yeah, I look forward to it every Thursday.
There's one delivery.
Yeah.
Sherry King is always happy to see on her front steps.
And I open it like a Christmas present. It's Christmas every Thursday.
The contents always different, always nourishing.
Last time we got potatoes, a lot of canned stuff, lemons. What else did we get over there? We got a baby watermelon.
With produce and proteins.
Yeah, and it's just, food that everybody needs.
Food she wasn't always getting before.
Sometimes groceries are not in my budget, because you got rent, you got phone, you got all these other bills. It's like, well, food is last.
For Sherry, it started when she was in the hospital with kidney stones.
I was talking to the nurse about food and how I'm having a hard time eating because of past things that have happened. And she goes, well, let's try the Food Bank of the Rockies.
This diet is critical to support our neighbors.
Monica Bulig, Chief Impact Officer with the Food Bank of the Rockies, says their Food for Health program connects people with health issues with the food they need.
Food security has been identified as one of those contributors to good health, and the lack of food security is a contributor to poor health. Food is medicine, and that's important to recognize.
Through weekly deliveries filled with proteins, whole grains, and produce, Bulik says those in the program have all reported either maintaining or improving their health. And that includes Sherry.
Well, I eat better. I feel better.
In the first few months of the program, she says the deliveries are improving her health.
Sweet peas.
With groceries she looks forward to.
My weekly Christmas present.
The program, a helping hand she hopes to hang on to.
As long as they'll let me. Yes.
The Food for Health program started about 2 years ago, and it's been growing since. Food Bank of the Rockies recently expanded it over to the Western Slope. The boxes delivered each week are crafted by dietitians with enough food inside for about 10 meals.
Yeah, it's an incredible program. Rachel, can you explain a little more about how it works?
Yeah, healthcare organizations are identifying patients experiencing chronic health challenges and food insecurity and matching them with the program. So this all happens through your doctor's office. But it's important to note, if you or someone you know is experiencing food insecurity, you can always go on over to the Food Bank of the Rockies.